Hello. So today's question is an inductor of 20 mH, a capacitor of 100 microfarad and a resistor of 50 ohm are connected in series. Across the source of EMS equals to V 10 sin theta 314t. The power loss in the circuit is. So here we know that this is our V0. And this here will be our omega, right? And we already know our values of L, of V, of C and of R. C capacitor and R the resistor. So now if we find the value of XL and XC using the formula we already know, which is omega L and 1 by omega C, we will get our values to be 6.28 and 31.8. So here we know the formula for Z, that is equal to under root R square plus XC minus XL square, right? Let me remove this. So from all this, we find the value of Z. So here Z equals to 56.1. Now the value of power loss. Power loss equals to V0 square R upon 2Z square. So if we just put the values, our answer will be 0.79. So A part. Thank you.